Hi everyone! Summertime is upon us, so let's make popsicles. What kind of popsicles should we make? How about Fireball Whiskey Popsicles? Very simple recipe. What all goes into the Fireball Whiskey Popsicles? 4 cups of cream soda. I'm using A&W cream soda. And 2/3 cup Fireball whiskey. That's it for the ingredients. Then it calls for a freezer-safe container to put the popsicles in, and then some popsicle bags or freeze pop bags. And I have here the Fro-Zip Pure Pop Ice Pop bag. I got both the freezer-safe container and the ice pop bags from Amazon. I chose the Fro-Zip because it does come with a little funnel and easy closure, if you can see right there. You'll need a bowl to mix it in with a spout. I'm just going to use my pitcher with a spout. So let's begin. So take a bowl with a spout, or like I said, in my case, I am using a pitcher. Pour in 2/3 cups of the cinnamon whiskey. This will make about 10 freezer pops. Then take 4 cups of the cream soda. And here is the last cup. Now stir very gently. You don't want very many bubbles, as little as possible. I'm going to actually wait until that settles down just a little bit before I stir it, because when you stir it to mix it up, it's going to foam up again. All right, so then just lightly mix it to combine. And like I said, try not to have any bubbles. You know, kids love popsicles, so why can't adults enjoy them as well? And I love cinnamon whiskey, so this should be good. So here is the popsicle bag. You want to fill it only to the fill line here. This is going to be tricky because I've got to hold it open, put the funnel in it, and pour. So wish me luck on that. I have a glass here that might help me just a little bit, but probably not a whole lot since it doesn't fit into the glass tight. Now see if I can do this over the camera. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to let the foam settle down a little bit. As soon as the foam comes down, it should be up to the fill line. And then you just snap it closed, kind of like a Ziploc bag. Then take your freezer-safe container and lay it flat down. And set that aside and continue on. I'll do one more in front of the camera and then I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, so I got my baggie here, got my funnel, and then we'll just pour it in. This is really easy. If you didn't have the funnel, that would be really hard to try to keep it open wide enough. Little past the fill line, but not much. Seal it up and lay it down. And I'll continue that and I'll be right back. So here is the Fireball Whiskey Popsicles. We'll put them into the freezer for a minimum of 8 hours, but preferably overnight. And actually what I'll do is I'll just leave them in the freezer until Dave gets home tomorrow night and he can try it after supper. So here is the Fireball Whiskey Popsicle. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
It's a popsicle.
Kind of thought that.
You tell me.
Looks like Coke or something. Man, it's not Coke. It's spicy. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting Coke.
You want to know what it is?
Is it some kind of ginger something or what? Yeah. Yes. Yes. I want to know.
Fireball Whiskey Popsicle.
Okay. Okay. Well, that makes sense. All right. Phew. Well, that makes sense to me now. But whew, that's got a lot of kick to it. So you didn't cook this, did you?
No.
So that means I'm going to feel this in a little bit, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, once,
That's why we waited until we came back from getting gas.
oh, okay. That's why we waited. All right. Okay. Well, it's a cinnamon kind of kick. I just wasn't expecting it. I was thinking it was pop, but yeah, it's cinnamon whiskey.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.